In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add threads to spaces in Perplexity AI. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, these steps will help streamline your experience in organizing content within the platform. First, let's navigate over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and load up the Google homepage. Once you're there, it's time to search for Perplexity AI. Simply type Perplexity into the search bar. You might already see it pop up as a suggestion. Just click to proceed with the search. Once your results have loaded, look for the official Perplexity website in the results list. It should be among the top few options. Click on the link to access the site. Once you're on the Perplexity homepage, identify and click on the Home section to ensure you start from the main dashboard of the application. This provides a good starting point and can be your go-to base whenever you navigate through different features of the tool. Next, locate the Library tab. This is where your stored threads typically reside. Click on the library to enter the section containing all the threads you've either created or saved. As you browse through the library, take a moment to identify the specific thread you wish to incorporate into Spaces. Hover over the thread you want, and you should see a 3-dotted line icon somewhere nearby. Clicking on these 3 dots will present you with a variety of options, one of which is Add to Space. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be prompted to select a folder or space where you want the thread to be added. For this walkthrough, let's say you're working on a project or organized collection called French Test Assistant. Click on this particular space to allocate the thread there. Once you've done that, it's always a good idea to check and confirm that the thread has been correctly added to your desired space. Navigate over to the Spaces section of Perplexity AI. Upon clicking, look for your French Test Assistant space in the list. Select it to view all of its contents. Now, you're just a click away from seeing your thread in place. Enter the French Test Assistant space, and voila, there you go. Your selected thread from the library is now neatly tucked into the space, ready for further interaction or collaboration. By following these steps, you've successfully added a thread to a space in Perplexity AI, making your organization efforts both efficient and effective. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!